The parks for me is family. The parks for me is the community and neighborhoods. Hi, my name is Rita Jackson and I am founder of IMPACT Toledo Incorporated. I founded IMPACT Toledo about 2015. I was at work one day and I just had an epiphany, like this cannot be what I'm set here to do. I have to do more. I played basketball in high school and college, and I just wanted to get back into that. I just looked at the state of the neighborhood parks in the city of Toledo, and they were horrible. I care so much about the parks because the parks are where I grew up at. My parents, my family, we always came to the parks. So the parks are just home to me, and that's where I grew up, and it's just a nostalgia, and I'm trying to bring that back to today's generation.
But IMPACT Toledo to come to us, asked us, could they come over? That was a positive plus, and that gave us the feeling that somebody really does care.
The program is going to consist of education and exercise. So the first hour we're going to read, we're going to talk about bullying or growth or, just different topics that are relevant to the kids and adults today. Then the second hour we're going to play like old school throwback retro games, tetherball, hopscotch, double dutch, freeze tag, the games that the adults grew up on. I want the kids to take away from IMPACT Toledo summer program, educate and exercise the values that my parents instilled in me, and just to be better members of society and to be leaders in their communities. So I just want to shine a light on the state of them and how we can do so much better and how we can improve them overall, the quality and the purpose of them.
With their help and support and just loving our kids, but more importantly, loving our neighborhood like we love it, makes all the difference in the world. So thumbs up, 2 thumbs up, not just 1, 2 thumbs up.